Hello and welcome to the Visionless Designs YouTube channel. So today we're going to be checking on how the kiln's got on. Obviously see how it went so far in the previous videos. But yeah, we'll get on and see how it all is looking. Right, so we're at the back of the kiln now, where I've got the fan I was explaining earlier. So over here, so we've got the outlet, the drawing air from the top, going down, and blowing it out down here. What's that? Well, that's where it got to. I'm looking for that for ages. Right, okay. Yeah. Triple wheeled now. Right. Oh, okay. Yeah, so yeah, just blowing air back in there. Obviously, as I said earlier about the sheeting, so that's clamped tight there. Clamped on the bottom there. Obviously, couldn't clamp all the way here because I've got the tubing. This is 4-inch flexi with insulation around it as well, so I don't have any heat loss from it. This is so that cable, I've got the electrician yet to come, so that's just loosely tied there to keep it there. Yeah, I think this will do. 240 cubic meters of air an hour. So yeah, interesting to see how that does. But yeah, again, for this method, because none of the electrics are inside the kiln other than the actual heater itself, so less chance of electrical failure. So yeah, that's that. Right, back to it again. Okay, so we're at the side of the kiln now. Figured I'd actually show the kiln unit itself. So I've got a door on the side of the kiln for nice easy access. It's right here. So this is the actual Logosol kiln. So got a 4-inch inlet there. And where's the controls? Controls, we've got so that's off. That's bar 1 and that's bar 2. And then down here, here you've got the thermostat. I can't use that, obviously. I need someone else to do that for me. And here I've got the, where are we? The consumer unit that powers it. Obviously, it's recommended to go for an IP65 rated one, just in case, because of how close this is to there. If there's any leaks, any steam getting out, might have trouble. So gone with that. So yeah, it's a very simple unit. It's pretty quiet. In fact, we'll just turn it on so you can have a quick listen to how noisy it is. Right, just turn it on. Just have to run to the workshop and turn the power on. So let's lift that up. There's the main power. So got the main switch, the kiln. I don't know if you can hear that current noise. That's the extra fan I added in the kiln. So turn this on right now. So there you go. I don't know how much of the noise will go through the mic. That's what it is when you're right next to it. As soon as I close the door, I mean, I can just about hear it. As soon as we start walking away, the noise is gone. There's like a mild hum in the air, maybe. So, for those concerned about noise, it's really nothing to worry about. Knock you off, and knock all this off. There you go. Now we'll get on to the rest of it. Right, it's been a week. Do you want to start doing the readings now? I'm using a Orion 950 moisture reader to do this. I prefer it as it you can pick the wood species, so you get a much more accurate reading, and it's not a pinned one, so we can just run along it and check do lots of readings quickly without damaging the wood. Right, do you want to put it to 4.5? It's on 4.5 for the cookies?
Yeah.
Okay. And what are they at?
11.3, 11.4, 8.9,
Okay, it's a bit low, that one.
12.5.
Yep, that's what. Right, should we check?
This one okay?
Yep, that's still fine. It's in the 12s.
The other top one. 10.1.
Yep.
11.
So softwood, we want to be around the 12 mark.
11.4.
Below that means it's going to be a bit harder sanding, but I don't have to worry about it warping or twisting, or shrinking. Right, shall we check these? Check these.
Is that the same?
This slab is feels like a Douglas, so I'd go with 4.8 for that.
Okay, box that one.
What's that?
14.2.
Oh, okay, that's a little bit harder.
8.1. 8.9. 10.1.
Okay.
13. It's down here. 12.
Right, so let's go on to what?
Putting it on the bark one.
Oh, yes, don't forget to keep it off the bark, because that gives a different reading.
That's 12.
Yeah.
That's 12.
Yeah, there we go.
It's 14.
So there's a bit of an anomaly there. Okay.
Around this bit.
We'll flip it over. Just to flip that over. There we go. Just test that side.
9.2.
Yep.
9.8. 7.8. 8.6. 8.6.
Okay, that's fine.
9.0.
So let's obviously overdried this a bit. So yeah, we'll get emptying this. We'll keep doing some scans as we go through it. I'm fairly certain this is all.
Don't stand on that.
Oh, sorry, boss. Yeah, we'll get all this emptied now. We'll do a quick check, make sure nothing's above the 12 mark. With the reader going on bark, throws off the reading. And he's reading out. I said you do it by species. We check the number I'm saying is the density of the wood for that species. So Douglas fir and larch are 0.48, hemlock is 0.45, the Sitka, I think there's a few in there, would be 0.44. Yeah, I just memorise the numbers that we need rather than going try to find the species in the meter. Right, I hope this has been interesting for people. It's been a bit of a learning thing for me. I'm going to do a few more loads to get perfected. Obviously, putting these beams on the floor and not allowing the air to go up the kiln was a very big mistake. Hopefully the cookies that went mouldy are recoverable. I'll still find a use for them for something if they're completely stained. But yeah. Yeah, so the plan is still I'm going to put in another fan from the top corner on that side down to the bottom one here where it was already coming out, and swap the one that's coming out there from the top to the furthest corner up here as well. So get more air circulation to ensure the heat is distributed properly around the kiln. And yeah, I'm going to get some more temperature monitors put in as well, just to keep on top of everything. So hope this is interesting, and hope to see you in future videos. Don't forget to check out the visionlessdesigns.com website, as well as my Etsy and Instagram page. Links are down below. So see you in future videos. Thank you very much.